can't give you anything but love, baby. That's the only thing I've plenty of, baby.
Ah, love and marriage. It really hasn't changed that much throughout the ages.
I love you. I want to marry you.
I love you too, Joe.
Boy meets girl and they fall in love. But what we have here today is a modern-day love story.
Tell me to calm down. Look all around us here.
We both are. Oh, that's good.
That color looks good on you.
Amazing. Thank you so much. Jesus Christ. Look at you, girl. Spin.
Fix this.
Baby, you look amazing.
You don't look too bad yourself.
They're like, she didn't look beautiful. I was like, she always looks beautiful.
I met you in the sun, saw my plans come undone, 'cause I knew you were the one. So we, from Paris on one knee, with a letter and a ring, got married in
Dear friends and family, we are gathered here on this beautiful evening to witness and bless the joining together of David Christian Gage and Rachel Ann Dobert in wedded matrimony. Please exchange these rings as a token of the promises that you have made to each other here today.
And the day I met you, I think I met myself. I don't ever wanna be with anyone else. We got the kind of story that the stories would tell, different than I've ever felt. And I know we've got our whole lives, no ending this inside. Darling, all I wanna do is be with you. And I know we've got our whole lives, no ending this inside. Darling, all I wanna do is be with you tonight. Yeah, yeah, can go, or the beauty of your soul. Oh, you, where were you all along? Every other one was wrong, and I found where I belong. Oh, the day I met you, I think I met myself. I don't ever wanna be with anyone else. We got the kind of story that the stories would tell, different than I've ever felt.
David, take Rachel to honor, love, and abide with as your lawfully wedded wife through the easy times and the hard times, as long as you both shall live.
I do.
Do you, Rachel, take David to honor, love, and abide with as your lawfully wedded husband through the easy times and the hard times, as long as you both shall live?
I do.
Awesome. I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss or whatever.
The more things change, the more they stay the same. And that holds true for love and marriage as well. It's always the same. A good marriage must be created. In marriage, the little things are the big things. It's never being too old to hold hands. It's remembering to say I love you every day. It's standing together and facing the world.
We've got our whole lives, no ending this inside. Darling, all I wanna do is be with you tonight. Yeah, yeah, be with you tonight. Be with you tonight. Hey, yeah, with you tonight. Just be with you tonight.